Who will say
Ma'am,
me?
there was a pen,
Okay,
pancake
then
pen.
yeah.
Then, ma'am, in four wheel, the which driver drive
Sorry.
steering.
Okay. Anyone else would like to say me what you can see in this picture first?
And pot.
Ma'am, these all things are famous things that are of a people that is not there in
Yes.
now.
Yes. Anyone else? Can will you like to share what do you understand from this picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
Ma'am, this is a past. This is a
This is
past
the
things.
past. Yes. From this we come to know about the present. Okay. How people used to live. Before many years ago, people did not have their house to live. They did not have any shelter, any house. They did not have any food to eat, है ना? So how people lived at that time, what type of food they ate at that time, है ना? How they learned cooking. Yes, how they learned, for going from one place to another place. Yes, all this we come to know from different sources of history. Now different sources of history are what? Yes, are what? They are something or the other thing which we see in our, on surroundings. Okay. Now, for example, in this picture, if you can see, there are some vessels, right? Coins, ornaments, then a stamp you can see. Can you see a stamp? A lion stamp,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
A flyer.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
such type of
Yes.
in the if we come to know from the history different things. Now from where do we get all these things, है ना? We get information of all these things from different sources, like in early in the morning in our house newspaper comes. Yes or no? Yes, yes or no? Everyone's house newspaper comes now,
Yes,
है ना?
ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
we come to know,
Yes.
from the
Yes, ma'am.
newspapers around us, from the libraries which we visit, है ना? Then from the different places of history, from different idols. Idols means what? From different idol means what? कोई मूर्ति, है ना? So from such places, such things we come to know about our history, है ना? So
What
it
ma'am? What ma'am? Idol means what?
मूर्ति, कोई पुरानी मूर्ति हमें मिले कहीं से, है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
है ना? तो we come to know history from that also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Hmm. So this way we come to know about history from different things, है ना? Now this to study the history is very much important. Why it is important? Because it gives us lot of information. Huh? It gives us lot of information. See, whenever you visit any place, है ना? In a historical place, if you go in vacation and if you visit any place, then their history will be written. Okay, who constructed the? Suppose, for example, if you are visiting Qutub Minar, है ना? Qutub Minar. So everything is written about Qutub Minar. That Qutub Madinaiba constructed Qutub Minar. Then his son-in-law, that is Iltutmish, he completed the construction of Qutub Minar. है ना? This way we come to know about different places of history by the information, right? By the information available on a particular document also you can say. Is it clear everyone? Right? Yes, Ayaz, can you
Yes,
read this
ma'am.
paragraph? Ayaz, are you there? Can you listen me?
Ma'am, yes is there, but he's not admitting his mic.
Yes, can you please continue then? Who is it?
Hassan Kapasi.
Yes, Hassan Kapasi. Can you continue?
Ma'am, first paragraph or second?
First one. Early in the
First.
morning, that one.
Okay, ma'am. Early in the morning, you receive a newspaper which makes you aware of the daily events and accidents. After some
Accidents, yes.
times,
In the newspaper, we read
accident.
now this.
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
After
Yes, ma'am.
some
Can
time,
I give you some?
after
Just
sometimes, after some time, these events become the past. We recall the date and time when the same type of accident happens. Photographs and detailed information given of the past events in the newspaper help us to know our history.
yes, very good. Hassan Kapasi, very good. Early in the morning, when early in the morning you receive a newspaper, all of us receive a newspaper, yes or no? Which makes you aware of,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, which makes you aware of daily events, right? And after some time, this newspaper, these events becomes our इवेंट्स एंड इंसिडेंट्स
Past.
पास्ट है ना. सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल सबसे पहले जब लॉकडाउन लगा था है ना, फर्स्ट टाइम जब लॉकडाउन लगा था तो वी यूज टू रीड द न्यूज़पेपर एंड वी यूज टू अंडरस्टैंड के कहाँ पे कितने केसेस हैं, स्कूल्स कब चालू होंगे, है ना, ये सब हम कहाँ से पढ़ते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर में से. लेकिन यही चीज है, व्हेन वंस यू विल कम टू स्कूल, तो ऑल दिस विल बिकम व्हाट फॉर यू all these things will be,
History or
yes, it
past?
will become history or past. It will not be the present. Yes, will it be the present? Huh?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, right?
No,
it will
ma'am.
become a it will become the past, है ना.
Past.
हाँ. So this way history is what, history is something which is from the past to present. What it is?
Past, present.
Yes.
Past,
Yes, it is
present.
from past to present. Now, for a for a while, if we recall date and time when the same type of incidents had happened, है ना, ऐसे ही टाइप का कोई इंसिडेंट अगर कभी पहले हुआ है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, तो हम क्या करेंगे,
Whoa, past news. Open it. We
है ना,
see the
पास्ट.
past news.
यस, वी सी द पास्ट न्यूज कि भाई ऐसा कब कहीं हुआ था, है ना, ऐसा अभी जो है, ओके, अभी जो चल रहा है, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल कोरोना वायरस, तो व्हाट इट इज it is a
Present.
it it is
Present.
present and it is a natural disaster. नेचुरल डिजास्टर आप बोल सकते हो.
No,
Present.
ma'am.
Yeah, then
No,
it is a
ma'am.
natural
Yes,
disaster.
yes.
It is occurring by nature, right? But though it is spreading by human beings are spreading it, but it is natural only, no. Coronavirus is natural, right? So this type of disasters, we try to compare, है ना, कि भाई ऐसा कोई टाइप का डिजास्टर पहले कहीं हुआ है ना. So we try to compare it with our past, right? But from where we come to know about this past? From the different sources of history available around us, है ना. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So we recall the date and time कि भाई ऐसा इंसिडेंट कब हुआ था, है ना, तब कैसे सबने बिहेव किया था, हाउ was there a lockdown or not, and all this we try to come to know from the past, है ना. So now we recall date and time when the same type of incident happens again, right? Now photographs and detailed information given of the past events in the newspaper help us to know our history. What does it help us to know, beta? It help us to know our
Our
history.
history.
Yes, now
Oh,
different, yes, now if you go in different places, है ना, तो वहां पे भी आपको हिस्ट्री के बारे में फोटोग्राफ्स दिखे होंगे कि भाई ये राजा यहाँ पे रहते थे, ये राजा ऐसे काम करते थे, है ना। ये राजा का यहाँ पे राज था, और ये राजा ऐसे कपड़े पहनते थे। उनके राज्य में ऐसे लोग ऐसा खाना खाते थे, ऐसे टैक्सेस भरते थे। ये सारा कहाँ से हमें पता चलता है? हिस्ट्री में से, है ना। हिस्ट्री में से और उसके फोटोग्राफ्स से। नाउ ऐसे फोटोग्राफ्स हमारे पास कहाँ से आते हैं? तो डिफरेंट सोर्सेस, डिफरेंट थिंग्स, है ना। सो वी कम टू नो न्यूज़पेपर्स एंड और कई बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें जहाँ से हमें ऐसी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है, राइट। व्हेन द सेम टाइप ऑफ इंसिडेंट हैपेंस, राइट। नाउ फोटोग्राफ एंड sorry photographs and detailed information given about the of the past events in the newspaper help us to know history. What does it help us to know? It help us to know the history, isn't it?
History.
Yes, different types of
Yes.
history we come to know from such
Yes, sir.
types of huh, such type of photographs, right? Okay, understood first paragraph, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, second can I read?
Yes, yes, Nakvi, read beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Dekho, you are enjoying
In
this
the above
lesson.
painting, you can see.
This is not of your,
Yes,
again
ma'am.
I'm repeating, this is not there in your textbook, but this type of information you should have in fifth class. Okay, that is why I have selected this lesson. Is it clear? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Okay. Yes, beta, continue.
Yes, ma'am. In the above painting, you can see a stamp, an idol, a seal, utensils, vessels,
Utensils
and
nahi,
various other tools.
utensils nahi, utensils. Okay.
Utensils, vessels, and various other tools. We come to know history through such sources. It is necessary to have knowledge of the past and to know and understand the present situation. We know history of thousands of years from old or ancient buildings, forts, temples, step wells, and other sites. Let us understand this with the help of an activity.
Hmm. So what it is, beta? If we come to know about, see, there are people, ऐसे लोग होते हैं, जैसे वो पूरा कहीं कहीं आपने ऐसा भी सुना होगा कि कहीं पे बिल्डिंग का कंस्ट्रक्शन होता है ना। तो वहां पे क्या करते हैं लोग, वहां पे कुछ मूर्ति मिल जाती है, फिर कुछ ऐसा वहां पे जब डिगिंग काम चलता है, खुदाई काम चलता है, तो वहां पे कोई मूर्ति मिलती है, कुछ वेसल्स मिलते हैं ऐसे। सुना है कि नहीं कभी किसी ने ऐसा? हाँ
Yes,
बेटा,
ma'am.
Yes,
है ना।
ma'am.
तो फिर उसको उसकी स्टडी होती है, क्या होता है? हाँ बेटा।
Study.
हाँ, उसकी फिर स्टडी होता है कि भाई ये कौन से साल का बना हुआ है। ये वेसल, ये सपोज कोई वेसल मिलता है, वेसल એટલે भाषण। हाँ, सपोज एक कोई वेसल मिलता है, तो जो आर्कोलॉजिस्ट होते हैं, आर्कोलॉजिस्ट आर द पीपल हु स्टडी ऑफ हिस्ट्री, है ना। तो दे विल फाइंड आउट कि भाई ये वेसल कितने साल पुराना है, इस वेसल में क्या खाना बनता था, हु विच टाइप ऑफ पीपल यूज टू कुक इन दिस वेसल, और इस इन दिस वेसल which in which century it was used, है ना। All this information they try to bring out. Understood?
Yes,
Yes or no?
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this type of history, this type of things we come to know from। फिर अगर कभी समझो कोई स्टैम्प मिला है, क्या मिला है?
Stamp.
Stamp.
हाँ, हाँ, अगर कोई स्टैम्प मिला है, तो उसकी हिस्ट्री दे ट्राई टू लर्न ऑफ दैट प्लेस ऑल्सो, कि भाई दिस टाइप ऑफ स्टैम्प वाज यूज्ड व्हेन, है ना। विच पीपल यूज टू यूज दिस टाइप ऑफ स्टैम्प फॉर पोस्ट। और अच्छा, इफ स्टैम्प मिला है किसी को, इफ दे गॉट स्टैम्प, देन इज इट देख कि ये स्टैम्प कौन से राजा के टाइम पे चल रहा था? पोस्ट पोस्ट सर्विस कैसे थे? स्टैम्प वी यूज इन द पोस्टल सर्विस, राइट, है ना। સ્ટેમ્પ એટલે ખબર છે ને? વી યુઝ ઇન ધ પોસ્ટલ સર્વિસ,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
है
ma'am.
ना. सो उस टाइम पे कैसे कैसे किस टाइप की पोस्ट सर्विस थी. ऑल दिस वी ट्राई टू come to know from what? All these type of things we come to know.
History.
Yes, from history.
History.
Yes. Then see, अगर हम भी आज कोई स्टैम्प यूज कर रहे हैं, अगर हम we are also, if we are also using any types of stamp, then we will try to find out, no, के which type of stamps will which type of stamps will be there in that our period of time, right? Then vessels and various other tools, right? And इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे tools होते हैं, है ना, जिससे हमें हिस्ट्री के बारे में पता चल सकती है, राइट. नाउ वी कम टू नो हिस्ट्री थ्रू सच सोर्सेस. ऐसे सोर्सेस से हमें हिस्ट्री के बारे में पता चलता है ना. यस. From such type of sources, we come to know about history. Is it or is it not?
Yes, ma'am. Is it?
Yes. So it is written here that it is necessary.
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
yes, it is necessary to have knowledge of the past and to know and understand the present situation. What it is necessary? It is necessary to know the past and to understand the present situation. For example, if you sit with your grandparents and if you are eating a pizza, what you will say? What they will say કે અમે તો આવું કઈ ખાતા જ નહોતા, અમે તો રોટલો ખાતા, રોટલી ખાતા, ભાખરી ખાતા, है ना. Then what they will say?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना, they will say કે આવા pizza pizza ના ખવાય, है ना, this is junk food, right? Because they, in their period of time, pizza was not there, right? How do we come to know all this? From the history, है ना. Okay, what type of
Yes.
food they used to eat? They used to eat cooked food. And you know, इस उनसे भी पहले, बहुत पहले, people used to eat raw food. मतलब raw food means what, कि कच्चा खाना ही खाते थे, कच्चा मीट होता था, you know, whatever they get from their surroundings they used to eat. Suppose for example, अगर उनको वहां से this raw potatoes खाते थे. Can now we eat raw potatoes? Can now we eat raw potatoes?
No,
Raw
ma'am.
potatoes?
raw मतलब कच्चा
No,
पोटैटो
ma'am.
खा सकते हैं?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
no, we cook it and eat. But before many years, you know, when the fire was not invented, the primitive man, they used to eat the raw potato, है ना. So this way we come to know of history from different sources, from different things. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
We
ma'am.
ma'am.
yes, we have knowledge of the past and to know and understand the present situation. Now we have to understand the present situation कि अभी अभी के टाइम में क्या चेंजेस है, पास्ट से लेके अभी के टाइम में क्या चेंजेस है, राइट. सो we know history of thousands of years from old or ancient buildings. कहाँ से हमें पता चलता है? ओल्ड और एंशियंट बिल्डिंग्स, है कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose in our town we have Gandhi Smriti, then you need to find out okay, when was it constructed, then who constructed it, right? This way we come to know of the past, right? And beta,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is this is of thousands of years when we were not born also, है ना. So we have to understand about that from the historical information available, right? कब की हिस्ट्री हमें पता चल सकती है? बिफोर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ इयर्स. See, it is written, you know. We understand history. We know history of thousands of years from old or ancient buildings, right? From where do we come to know?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? From
Old or
old,
Asian buildings.
yes, from old or ancient buildings. Then you say me some idea. You give me some ideas. From where do we come to know about history then?
Ma'am, in our house, Dada Dadi is there. He's
हाँ.
tell about his generation. Some
Very good. हाँ. Yes,
some
they
tell.
tell. हाँ. Very good. Very good. They
But
tell us
in
about.
my that
Huh?
in my generation, the this was
Huh?
not there,
Very good, very good.
and
Yes,
the things.
very good. So we come to know again, that is what they will say from their experience, no? From their experience, right? है ना?
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no? Yes. So then if we go to some places, then Dada will say, grandparents will say you, okay, this was constructed when I was so small, है ना? When I was of this many years, and this type of government was there, and all this they will share with us, right? So what
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is, we come to know about the older ancient buildings also, forts, temples. Forts matlab किले, टेम्पल्स मतलब मंदिर, स्टेप वेल्स, स्टेप वेल्स मीन्स व्हाट, के पहले के जमाने में ऐसे ही पानी कहाँ भरा जाता था, स्टेप वेल्स में भरते थे, है ना? तो स्टेप वेल्स एंड अदर साइट्स. नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दिस विथ वन एक्टिविटी. नाउ विल सी वन एक्टिविटी जिससे हमें पता चले कि व्हाट इज व्हाट what type of history is there. Yes, Hassan Kapasi, are you there, beta? Okay, first of all, you see me. All of you
Yes, ma'am.
understood till here or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understand.
Understand, no? So this is what this lesson is about: the sources of history. Okay. Again, I repeat, okay, we are not having this in our syllabus, but then also we are doing this because you can understand, okay, what are different sources of history. Okay,
Yes,
is it
ma'am.
Okay,
is it
ma'am.
clear? Yes. Yes, Hassan
Yes,
Kapasi.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
When collecting articles, photographs, and pictures of paintings, we gather historical,
Historical.
historical information. You might even know some people who have a collection of old paintings, photographs, coins, stamps, and written information. This treasure of information was passed on to us by earlier generations. In December 2000, most of the newspapers had published. Ma'am, what this?
Published.
Various, various,
When see,
various,
Hassan Kapasi, when you
various.
don't know to pronounce some things, you need to speak the spelling of that thing. Okay, so you will
Okay,
be
ma'am.
able to pronounce.
Okay. Various articles with photographs on the incidents incidents and events of the 20th century, which became famous as the Ma'am, what this written?
Millennium Gallery.
Millennium Gallery.
Hmm. Okay, chalo, very good. So, okay, from here, if you all don't mind, then we'll continue in the next lesson. And next class, till here, we will do once the revision. Okay. So, where do we get? I'll ask you a few questions. Okay. From where do we get information about history, beta?
In
Ma'am,
past,
from
newspaper and
history,
newspapers.
history sources.
From various historical sources, newspaper, the boy who said he is also right. Then from stamp, idol, seal, है ना?
Yes, ma'am, and
Yes, ma'am.
photographs.
Yes, even photographs. Very good, very good. Chalo, very good. So everyone understood till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubt? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, Nakvi, Hassan, and everyone. Understood, no, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Ayaz, Gazi Jivani, Aha.